Hi there, this is Bridget from the PlannerSpeechie. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick sticker plan haul. Sticker plan. Sticker haul for two shops. I have, and I got these orders in today, so this is very exciting. The first shop is called StickWiththePlanCo. This is the journaling card that they gave me. It is really cute. It's actually on this like very nice paper. So there's just some words on the back, and like I'm just in awe of this. This is really, really cute. I'm gonna hang this in my bulletin board at work. So these are some of the stickers I got. Here we go. So this is the freebie for September. These stickers are actually like pretty big. Like if you put my finger next to them, they're a little bit wider. This burn book one is really funny. I love the cinnamon bun one, and the coffee's really cute. So this is just a really nice freebie. Unfortunately, because it's October, it's probably something different now, but there you go. So some of these are restocks, and then some of these are just brand new. So this one is called Cozy Day. I really, really love this set. You can choose the hair color. This is my third sheet of this that I've purchased. Even though these leaves are floating in the background, I feel like you could actually use this all year. This is an autumn sticker sheet, but I think it's actually very usable all year. This was a new set of stickers to the shop. This is called Cozy Cafe. So you have, you can sort of see that it's like a little skeleton cookie there, but I think it's pretty small. You could probably use it for Christmas as well. We've got some pumpkin coffee, just some pumpkin pie, and then just a general girl in a scarf with a cup. I did get this Squidge Has a Shower. I thought this was really, really cute, and I just wanted a way to mark showers in my planner and in my bullet journal, and I thought these were great. So the top two are bigger, and then the rest of them are smaller. The next one is called Squidge Festive Laundry. I thought this was really cute and would be fun to use during the holiday season, and maybe even in January. I do that sometimes. I decided to pick up this date night sheet. I really liked all of the different things here. We've got some really good Italian food, going to the movies, and just hanging out on the couch. And then just this little couple down here. You were able to customize the hair color. This is another restock. I've used this before. This is just chill time. So we've got the girl on the laptop, the girl with a glass of wine, a candle, and a book, and then the girl just passed out on the couch. Next one is cooking. This one has lots of different kinds of, I mean, this is like soup stock preparation, but you've got the cutting board and the Bon Appetit. I thought this would be fun. This is a smaller one. It's called SL-30, but it's like gardening, and it's a mini neutral set. So you can choose the hair color, but you can't really choose anything else. And I think it's very functional. This would have been really useful to have when I was watering my husband's plants. I did get emoji. I thought these were really precious. They're actually teeny tiny, like that's my finger. So they're very functional, and I like that you can showcase like lots of different emotions. And you get a lot on one sheet. So that's really good. I don't remember ordering this. Obviously, I did order it, but working late, I try not to do this anymore, but I'm definitely like, I'm going to do it tonight. So I thought this was really functional. I did get the Squidger Bread Feels Ouch. I know this is a Christmas sheet, but to be honest, I have a lot of Christmas character stickers from the shop, and I'm unlikely to order a Christmas order. So I wanted to get my Christmas stuff now, especially because it's a UK shop. Although I will say this came faster than some of the shops that I ordered from Canada. So anyway, the holidays are always mixed emotions for me, especially in the last couple of years. And I think sometimes we put overemphasis on like feeling the joy, which we do feel, but like sometimes you can have too much joy. So I liked this way to sort of commemorate that. I liked the burnt out, the ouch, and yeah, super cute. Okay, next one. This was Squidge Loves Pumpkin Homeware. My husband grows pumpkins in our garden, and this is like not a fancy farm acre garden. This is just a regular garden in the middle of suburban Charlotte. So I thought this was really fun. It would be a great way to mark like the carving and making soup and things like that. So I will probably be using this all year because we were cutting up pumpkins in July. So I did get this one, Squidge Loves Beer and Ales. I did have some of the ones where she's drinking wine, but I didn't have anything for beer. And I've actually started drinking a lot of non-alcoholic beers if I go out. And so I thought this would be fun because you can't really, non-alcoholic wine, let me tell you, I have not found a good one. It's just not good. So, but non-alcoholic beer can be delicious. This is a restock of the Folding Laundry Girl. Definitely useful. This is a restock of the fairy in pastel hair colors. So sometimes you can select pastel and you get like a different set of hair. I figured pastel hair looked better than brown hair. This is another reading set in neutral, and the minis you get 6 by 5, so you get 30 in one sheet. This is a small plan with me. You get 6. You get 24 in one sheet. I got a lot of this one, The Girl on the Laptop. This is, if you go back to this one that I showed you already, this is the same girl but smaller in a neutral. So this one I've used like the whole sheet of, but I always use this one a lot because I do a lot of work on my couch. So that was Stick with the PlanCo. Very cute shop. Really great professional. Like you'll get your stickers pretty quickly, I think, especially given that it's a UK shop. So definitely check them out if you are not already following them. The next one is a new to me shop for printed material. So I've ordered so many things from PlannerPexico over the years that are printable. I love her style. I love the way she does things, but recently she came out with a pre-foiled version of a kit that I just fell in love with, and I decided, you know what, let's try and see what it looks like. So I've not looked at any of this yet, so this is me opening it for the first time. I'm just opening it off camera because there is a purchase order in here with my personal information on it, and I don't want that on camera. Okay, so let's just put this down for a second. This is the journaling card. It's called the Crafter. I think this is so cute. There's nothing written on the back, so it's very functional. You could probably use it as, I don't know if it's like a standard size postcard, but really, really fun. This would be also good to label like a sticker box or something. Love it. Okay, so this is the foiled freebie. I think this is, it's either light gold or autumn gold. I can't really tell. I think it might be an autumn gold. Talk football to me with this cute little sidebar. I like this overlay because it fits perfectly into your sidebar, especially if you're trying to fill a space. I'm not a huge football person, but maybe I'll use this overlay on the day of the Super Bowl or something just to like make that day stand out. But it's really nice. So I ended up getting just the one kit, but I got it pre-foiled. So, oh, actually that's not true. I got some other things. All right, okay, so we'll start with this. So this is the, let's turn it the right way. This is the pre-foiled Starry Night kit. I got it in gold hollow. I think it looks so pretty. You were allowed to choose which foil you wanted for the pre-foiled, and I chose the gold hollow because that was the one that she showcased in her video. I think starry gold, any gold with this kit would look really, really good. She did a whole post actually on her video when she announced this kit of like different foils that would work well with it. I love when shops do that, especially if like you wanted to print it yourself and you have your own foils. I think that's great. So I just loved this art, and I thought this would be really fun even for New Year's. Like I'm thinking about using it for New Year's. And I just loved what she did with the like constellations and the little shooting stars. And that with the gold hollow, I think it really pops. All right, so I love what she did with this washi. It's so gorgeous. So you've got the moon phases, you've got the gold hollow overlay. I like the little wolf with the stars. The days of the week are nice and bold. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell you how crazy frustrated I get when I cannot read the days of the week, and I can do it with this one. So I did get the ultimate kit. What's cool about this is that every page has foil on it. I think most pages, if not all of them. So this one has that gold hollow little flecks. Doesn't show up as formally on the gold necessarily, but still present. Still got that gold foiling throughout. It really pops on the darker colors. Like it's so cool. These are extra headers with the gold. These are the glitter headers pre-foiled with this like little shine pattern on top. So pretty. Man, that's like stunning. We've got an extra quote box. I have loved the stars too fondly to be fearful of the night. And this beautiful compass quote box there. These are really cool. They're foldable, so you can like fold them up and have a design. Everything is foiled, guys. Oh my gosh. So then we come to even the deco was foiled. Like these little just sort of nuggets of foil on there. These are foiled. Yeah. And then these are not foiled, so these are the extra little things. Yeah, these are not foiled, but the paper is really, really nice quality. There are, little sparkles here and there also. So, I mean, I'm like really glad I invested in this. I will definitely pay attention to her pre-foiled stuff, but in case this wasn't enough glitter and glam for me, I did get, oh no, I was supposed to get 2 of these. Hold on. Guys, I only ordered 1. Oh man. Okay, well, I'll have to figure, that was my fault. That was my bad. I have to figure out what I need to do for this because I did get 2 sets of the bougie boxes. So maybe I can either order, I could, the funny thing is the reason I ordered this pre-done, I could have ordered the printable version. The reason I ordered this pre-done is I was worried about what it would do to my printer ink if I did a solid background. So I was thinking about placing some solid background real orders anyway. So this is fine. I will just have to place another order. Oh no. But so this was the idea. So I did get these bougie box underlays, the gold stars and the gold hollow to go on top of this. So the idea is that I would layer these on top. These would be my underlays, and then I would layer all the other gold on top. I was going to go full all out with this. So I do have 2 of these, both in the gold hollow, beautifully foiled. So I will have to order another one of these, or like there were 4 different shades. So what I could do is like, this is the dark blue, but I could also do like the darker color that was offered. There was a darker background, so I could alternate them. That might be fun. I can play with it. So I will be doing that. And then last but not least, because I'm crazy extra, I ordered the double box. It says, "You are my sun, moon, and stars." I got this to match my husband and myself, even though I don't look nearly this good. Probably definitely not while camping. But I just thought if I'm going to go all out, let's go all out. And it is foiled on both. It's actually cut into two, but I might have to X-Acto knife the middle out so that it can maintain the whole scene. But anyway, so that was my fault. That was not Planner Pixie's fault. I should have double checked the order before I placed it. But so anyway, that is the sticker haul that I have for now. But and here we'll put this back over. But I have, let's see, I have one more character shop still coming. I placed 2 Plannahannah, or no, 1 Plannahannah order, and then I have 2 SPC orders coming. So I have a lot of stuff in the pipeline. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. The next Plan With Me is coming up. It will be uploaded on Friday, so stay tuned for that as well. All right, have a great week and take care.